Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss about what is going on these pictures and what is the catcher here doing and what is he uttering, and also the teacher explain the rules of the game with the help of this picture, and also the runners team also explained how they are escaped being touched. Okay, and which is the famous player in badminton, and who is the famous player in badminton and who is the famous player in Coco. Okay, the number of famous circus companies have been decreasing. Okay, the main reasons, what are the main reasons to the circus companies have been decreasing? Okay, the animal welfare organization protects against the use of animals in the circus for entertainment and training, given to the animals by using violence. Okay, and also in 1981 issues. So all these things we discussed here in this class. So before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, in last class we discussed about the teacher divide the 24 members into two groups. So each group carrying 12 members. So one team is running team and other team is chasing the touching team. Okay, so teacher explained to them the rules of the game and how it has to be played. Okay, the main rules of the game are, so Coco match has 2 innings. So each innings has running and touching rounds. So each round will be of 7 minute duration. Okay, and a Coco team consists of 12 players. Out of them, so 9 are players and 3 are extra players. Okay, the students began to play with the guidance of the teacher. So look at the picture and write the way of playing the game. So how many players are sitting inside the Coco field? There are 8 members are sitting inside the Coco field. So next, so how many players are standing at the poles? Okay, only one member. So how are the players sitting in the field? The players are sitting in order to opposite direction. So how many players are entering the field? Only three players are entering the field. How many groups are sitting near the field and how many members does each group have? So there are 4 groups are sitting near the Coco field. So each group having 3 members. Okay. So now what is going on this picture here? So running team member. So he was running very fast and touching team member, so he can catch him. Okay, so here also, so one person is given to another person to go. So here in this picture, the catcher so run fast and touch to running team, touch to member of running team. Okay, here after the game the teacher once again so taught the children the rules of the game with the help of these pictures. Sir, okay, yeah, first one. Okay, first one. So this is the, okay, so this is free zone. I can turn in any direction and touch. So this is the free zone. So I can turn in any direction and touch. Okay, next this one. So one should not change the direction. One should not change the direction. So next this one. So one should not get up without giving go. Okay, so next one, this one. So one should touch the back and say go. So one should touch the back and say go. So next, so when small whistle is blown and fall signal is given as to go in the opposite direction. Okay. So next, while running one should not step in the middle line. Okay, so go should not be given rushing in the middle. So these are all the main rules of the Coco game. So I will once again repeat it, all these rules. So when small whistle is blown and foul signal is given, one has to give Coco in the opposite direction. So next, while running one should not step on the middle line, so coach should not be given rushing in the middle. Okay, this is in a free zone. I can turn in any directions and touch, so one should not change the directions. Okay, so one should not get up without giving go, so and one should touch the back and say go. Okay, coach should not be given rushing in the middle. So this is an actual the rules of the game of Kho. Okay, so next, the children understood that if they did not follow or so violated the rules, it would be considered a foul. Okay, children, suppose in case they did not follow the rules, so then it should be considered as a foul. Okay, so the other team, that means runners team. So up to here we explained the rules of the chasing team. So now we are going to explain the rules of the running team. The other team discussed how they had played the game. So the runners explained how they had escaped being the touched. So okay, here first one, while running I escaped by moving like a chain. Okay, while running, so there are several rules to escape from the chaser members. Okay, while running I escaped by moving like a chain. So next I run fast and escaped. So next, so I moved through three lines like a chain. Okay, next, so while running I escaped by changing the directions. Okay, so I moved in the small circle only and escaped. Okay, so I will once again repeat it how the runners team have been escaped with the by the chasers members. Okay, so first one, while running I escaped by moving like a chain. So next, I ran fast and escaped. So I moved through three lines like a chain and escaped. So I moved in the small circle only and escaped. Okay, while running I escaped by changing the directions. Okay, so this is in a clear picture of the rules of or the ideas of the runners, how they are escaped by the run chasing team. So after the game, the teacher and the students went to the classroom. Next class we discuss more things.